Welcome to Mastering Power BI, Unlocking Data Insights and Visualizations. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of Power BI, a versatile tool designed to revolutionize the way organizations analyze data and gain valuable insights. Whether you're a business professional, analyst, or data enthusiast, this video will provide you with the knowledge and techniques to harness the power of Power BI. Before we begin exploring the fascinating features of Power BI, let's start with a brief introduction. Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft. It enables users to connect to multiple data sources, transform raw data into meaningful insights, and create interactive visualizations. With Power BI, you can effortlessly analyze complex data sets and present your findings in a compelling and visually appealing manner. One of the most significant advantages of Power BI is its ability to unlock powerful data insights. Through its intuitive interface, you can import data from various sources, such as spreadsheets, databases, and cloud platforms. Once the data is imported, Power BI offers a wide range of data modeling and transformation capabilities, allowing you to clean, shape, and merge datasets seamlessly. Power BI is renowned for its rich collection of visualization options that enable you to bring your data to life. From basic charts and graphs to advanced custom visuals, Power BI offers a diverse range of visualization types to cater to your specific needs. You can create interactive dashboards, reports, and presentations that make it easy for stakeholders to understand complex datasets and derive actionable insights. In today's fast-paced business landscape, data-driven decision-making is crucial for success. Power BI empowers users to make informed decisions by providing real-time data analytics and interactive visualizations. By leveraging Power BI's capabilities, organizations can identify trends, detect anomalies, and uncover hidden patterns that drive strategic actions and deliver measurable results. Collaboration and sharing are essential components of any data-driven environment. Power BI enables seamless collaboration by allowing users to share reports, dashboards, and datasets with colleagues and stakeholders. You can also set up data refresh schedules to ensure everyone has access to the latest information. With Power BI's cloud-based architecture, you can access your reports and insights from anywhere, anytime. Congratulations! You have completed our video journey on mastering Power BI. We hope this comprehensive guide has equipped you with the necessary knowledge and skills to leverage the full potential of Power BI and transform data into actionable insights. Power BI is an ever-evolving tool, so continue exploring and experimenting to unlock new possibilities. Thanks for watching.